In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a taillight in a Saturn Sky. The first step in this process is to mask around the paint around the taillight. This prevents chipping and damaging of the bumper and the paint. Step number 2 is to locate two 7mm screws in the panel. One is located here, I've removed it already, and the other one is here. Once that's complete, you can grab the taillight and begin working it and basically lift it up and separate it. You'll not be able to pull it completely out because it is connected with a grommet right in this area. So I'm going to show you the trick of removing it. So I'm going to pick it up from this corner, run a finger under here, and then I'm going to push down and it will pull it out of the grommet. And here you can see the grommet. That's the trick, is getting this piece here out of that grommet. And the best way to do it is get your finger under here and pull it up. Once you've done that, it's simply a matter of determining which light is bad, a quarter turn, pull out the bulb, change it, and reverse the process. Putting it back in is just simply reversing it. Take your time here, snap it in, and replace the two screws, and you're done.